Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name is Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So I'm just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a Swift Select 164 on a 2019 plate that we've currently got in stock. So here is a good look at that particular motorhome panel van. So a fantastically well made panel van made by Swift. You'll notice at the top there, you've got a 2-lay wind out awning included, already fitted. You've got a wonderful electric step. So it's a 3-berth motorhome, this one. So as we're stepping inside, the first thing you notice towards the back is that wonderfully spacious fixed bed. So you've got a nice large fixed bed, plenty of storage dotted throughout, and wonderful coverings of fishnet blinds as well as solid blinds. You've got a nice large vanity mirror opposite the bed with 240-volt sockets and also USB ports. Plenty of storage again underneath in the drawers and the cabinetry dotted next to the bed. So to get a feeling of the space underneath the bed as well. So plenty of storage under here, as you see. So the wind out arm for the Fiamma. Full set of carpets should you need it down, and the infill cushions here for that front single bed, which is how you convert it into the 3-berth. You've got a grille underneath here, 2 gas hob burners on top, and a full working sink. Further storage located above here as we step forwards, and another very useful ample storage space with small hanging rail and storage there, with a very spacious under counter fridge. You've also got a full working combination toilet and washroom. So stepping towards the front of this particular motor vehicle, you've got these wonderful, high quality, well finished seats. This is the area that converts into that single bed with that captain's chair turning around. You've got a triple arm TV bracket located there, should a bit of television watching be a need and a consideration. Further storage towards the front, and also a generous sized Hecky light towards the back of the vehicle and also in this central section. You've got freestanding tables located in this cubby hole up here as we move over to the Swift command panel and also the Truma blown air heating system panel. So it's on a Fiat Ducato. It's a 6-speed manual. As you can see from the front of this vehicle, a high quality and wonderful finish. And again, these high quality, wonderful finished seats. So we'll have a little wander around the exterior as well to give you a real good idea of what great condition this vehicle is in. Bike rack on the back as well, should that be a consideration. So space on there for 2 bikes, up to a maximum weight of 50 kilograms. And on this side is where you're locating your toilet cassette, your electric hookup cable, and you also have your water inlet there for your water tank. So that gives you a real good feel and a good understanding for what this Swift Select 164 on a 2019 plate has to offer. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to contact us and we'd be more than happy to help you. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.